I was scrolling through YouTube the other day and kept seeing these AI story videos. Super simple stuff. AI generated scripts, voiceovers and visuals, and they're getting a ton of attention. What surprised me is that most of these channels are run by faceless creators. No cameras, no studio setup, just using tools like CapCut to put everything together. And believe it or not, many of these creators are actually making a nice income from it. That got me thinking, this is something anyone can do. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI story videos using CapCut's new AI Video Maker, step by step. You can download it using the link in the description. Once you're on CapCut's homepage, you'll find the AI Video Maker right there. Just click to get started. Now, let me walk you through what tools it has to offer, because there is actually a lot of packed in here. Right at the top, you can start a new project. We'll go through each step together shortly. Below, we can create instant AI videos in just minutes. It covers so many industries and scenarios like cartoon, marketing, news, tutorials and more. Then there is this feature that helps you come up with ideas and even generates a script for your video. Super useful if you're not sure where to start. We can also create AI avatar videos. The cool thing is, you can either create your own avatar by following a few steps, or just pick from over 100 AI avatars already available in CapCut. You can also upload your media and match it with your script in one click, which is super handy for making videos quickly. And below that, you'll find some really cool AI templates you can customize or remake to create similar clips. Now that you've seen what it offers, let me show you exactly how it works. Alright, to get started, just click New Project. Here you can either write your own script or let the AI create one for you. I usually go with the AI option because it's super quick. On the left side, just type in the topic you want your script to be about, then add some key points below that. Next, choose how long you want your video to be. I went with 1 minute. Here is a cool trick. This feature can mimic the writing style of any popular video, so if you want to make something that feels viral, this can really help. Below that, you can add more details or requirements for your script. The more info you give, the better the script turns out. When you're done, just click Create and the AI will write your script. Once the script is ready, you can select any part of the text and click Rewrite if you want it improved. If you like the new version, just hit Replace. You can do this for as many parts of your script as you want until it fits your idea perfectly. Next, we'll click here to pick an avatar or voiceover. CapCut has over 100 voices to choose from. Here are some examples.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
I'm going to select this one and adjust the speed a bit. When you're done, just click Apply to all scenes. Now we will add captions. Just click on Elements, and here you can see the elements that will be included in the captions. Below that, you'll find a wide range of popular caption styles, perfect for social media. Next up is adding media to your video. Click here, then choose from the available options. I went with Generate AI Media for my video. On the left side, choose the option that works for you. For the AI option, you get to pick from a bunch of styles. I chose Futuristic. When you're done, click Apply to all scenes and wait for it to finish. After that, you can easily replace any media if you want. You can use your own clips, AI-generated media, or even search through stock footage that fits your scenes best. Just select the part of the clip you want to use and click Done. Now, to make the video even better, we'll add some music. Click on the Music tab on the left, pick a category, and choose a background music you like. When you're done, hit the plus button to add it to your video. Here is an example of a video I made using this tool.
Check out these cool car facts you probably never knew. Did you know that the first car was invented in 1886 by a German engineer named Carl Benz? And the very first commercial car was the Ford Model T, which was released in
Alright, now you could export your video here. But wait, I'm about to show you a method that makes creating AI videos even easier. First, click Brainstorm with AI to help you generate a script. Just type your idea in here, then click this arrow. Based on what you enter, you'll get a list of video topics to choose from or explore further to get more key points. Once you picked all your key points, you can either continue creating the script here or just copy them to use in the Instant Video tool. Go back to AI Video Maker's homepage and select Instant AI Video. Just paste the points here, pick a voiceover you like,
Welcome to Creating Voiceover.
Welcome to Creating Voiceovers.
Set the video duration and select a style. I'm going with a fun cartoon style. When you're ready, hit create. The next step is to click on elements and choose the caption style that you like. I chose this one. After that, go to the music tab on the left and add background music to your video. Here is the final result.
Our planet has changed so much thanks to amazing animals. From the birds that grace our skies to the fish that swim in our oceans, these creatures are a constant source of wonder and fascination. But despite the fact that we share this planet with them, many of us are ignorant to their existence. Its most striking feature is its nose, which is shaped like a star and is covered in fleshy appendages that make it look like something out of...
Now you know how to make your own AI story videos with CapCut. It's available on mobile, PC and the website, so you can use it wherever works best for you. Thanks for watching.